Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or remove two-factor authentication on your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Instagram, and you want to select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. And then you want to proceed to select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. You want to select the account center at the top. And now underneath account settings, select password and security. And select two-factor authentication. You may need to enter in your credentials in order to get into the settings here. And then there would be an option to remove or turn that off directly from the setting. And that's pretty much all you would have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.